morning. Today is Saturday. I am currently getting ready. It is snowing outside also, and it seems extremely windy, which is a bit frightening for the program. But hi Charlie, do you want to get up here? Is that what you want to do? Good girl. Charlie's behind the camera. I'm currently getting ready because I am taking myself out on a date today. The whole day, I'm just gonna do a little date with myself. We're gonna hang out, just me and me. I have some fun plans that I've made, and I wanted to bring you guys along, obviously, because I love doing these. I love showing you my little dates with myself. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I am currently obviously getting ready. I'm gonna make myself look nice for my date with myself. I can't take too long though, because I did in fact say that I would be at the first place by 10, and it's 10:09, and I just got out of the shower and I'm just getting ready. So that's good. In my defense, where is my concealer? In my defense, it has been dreary, cloudy, and dull in New York for the past 2 weeks now. We've had one day of sun, which was on Monday, and I thought that that was like showing us that we were finally out of the woods. No, it was supposed to be partly sunny today. Now it has switched to cloudy. It's snowing right now, and it said wind gusts are up to 27 miles per hour. So I think we can rule partly sunny out of the picture today. It literally is not in the forecast until like next week sometime to have sun. So that's definitely been throwing me off. Anyway, while I'm getting ready, I just wanted to chat with you guys, get a little chit chat, get ready with me vibe going, and specifically about why I feel it is so important to be your own best friend and to really enjoy time with yourself. Plan things for just yourself to do, treating yourself with the same enthusiasm as you would a friend or a partner or a family member that you're excited to do something with. Treating yourself, giving yourself that same energy, I think is, Charlie, what are you doing? Oh, you're trying to get down, sorry. Okay. I think is really important for so many different reasons. I love spending time with people. I love my friends. I love my family. I love being social. It's definitely important, I think, for your overall mental health and well-being to have social time. But I think it's just as important to be able to enjoy time spent with yourself. The main reason that I think it's really important to get super comfortable spending time with yourself and to really enjoy it just as much as you enjoy spending time with others is because when you're just doing something by yourself, you can do it exactly how you want. You can follow your own, not even schedule, but just whatever you want to do. You don't have to work around what other people want to do. And I'm not saying that it's bad to work around what other people want to do, because that's just what you do when you're with others. But that's why I think it's so important to have alone time, because you deserve to be able to just freely move about the exact way that you want. I don't know, it's fun, it's nice. It's like you have all the control, you have all the freedom, and you're able to create whatever day that you want. And also, when you get really comfortable doing things by yourself, you don't feel the need to put your plans on hold or your ideas on hold or really anything on hold to wait for other people, because you're perfectly fine doing it by yourself. Now, I'm gonna say 1,000 times, if you're my friend and you're watching this, I'm not saying that I hate you. I don't hate you. I love you very much. But if it's something that just you wanna do, or maybe you're the only one with like urgency to do it, it. Just go by yourself. You'll get more comfortable with yourself. You'll get to have the experience. You'll get it to be exactly how you want it. I don't know if any of this is making sense, but I feel like I've always been a pretty independent person, but it's really just been mostly since I've moved here that I've gotten way more comfortable. I look nuts with this on my nose right now. I've gotten way more comfortable just going off and doing things by myself, because I don't feel the need to wait for somebody else to like want to do it with me. Odds are, at the end of the day, after I've spent that time with myself, I will feel more comfortable and confident going out, doing things by myself in public or whatever it is. And that is really valuable. Being your best friend, there's no downsides. There's really not. In life, the only person that you can ever rely on 100% of the time is yourself. you're the only person that you can expect to always have your back. As sad as it sounds, like, I think that it's important to cultivate that relationship that you have with yourself and just make it the best that it can be. I love planning little days for myself because the world is my oyster when I'm doing this. Like, hold on. Anyway, the world is my oyster. If I get an idea, I can just plan it right away. I can get the ball rolling just by myself, and then I can go do it. It's really that simple. The hardest part about doing things alone is feeling comfortable in that, and that's something that you really can only get better at with practice and with doing it. If doing things alone is uncomfortable for you right now, the literal only way that you can combat that is if you do it, because then you'll be able to prove to yourself that it really wasn't that bad and that you can do it again because you've done it once. In order to grow out of your comfort zone, you have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations because growth is uncomfortable. Growth is always uncomfortable. Growing pains are a thing for a reason, and it's not just a physical pain. Where the frick is my brush? I need to organize this makeup drawer. This is just a catastrophe. Like, I can't find anything in here. What was I even saying before that? Oh, growing pains. Growing pains are not just a thing physically. They are a thing physically, but they're also a thing mentally and emotionally. And in order to grow mentally, you do have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations, which kind of isn't like anyone's favorite thing to do, but it is beneficial and it does pay off. I'm gonna go finish my makeup, do my eyebrows, and then I'll be back and we can put on my outfit. Here's my outfit. I have my beanie as well because I suspect it's gonna be cold. I'll see what happens when I step outside. I mean, I'm a little afraid, like, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, okay, so outfit of the day. Sorry, you can never really see it that well, and also my room is a disaster, just ignore that. This sweater that I'm wearing, I got from ThredUp. It is J. Crew. I'm wearing a black long sleeve underneath it because I am afraid to be freezing. This jacket, wait a damn minute. The long sleeve underneath is also from ThredUp, but it's TNA, which is Aritzia. This leather jacket that I'm wearing is also from ThredUp. This is not even sponsored by ThredUp, but jeans are Abercrombie. As usual, they're my split ones that I love. And then these are my Doc Marten Jaden platform boots. And finally, the scarf is my favorite part. This is from Aerie, and I'm obsessed with it. It's just so cute. I love it. So this outfit was inspired from Pinterest. I was looking last night to find something. I came across something similar to this, realized I had all the supplies, and here we are. And I'm really happy with it. I think it's super cute. I love these massive scarves. Then my little beanie is from Rag & Bone. I think I'm just gonna bring my tote bag today because I also have some gloves. I'm scared. These gloves I got from Kohl's. ISO toner from Kohl's. Like little leather gloves. They were on sale. That's my outfit. I really like it. I think it's super cute. I think it's the scarf for me. I love the scarf. This is how my makeup turned out. These little wings that I put on are eyeshadow. They're gonna come off, I know it, because they don't, like, it's not waterproof or anything. But I put a lot of powder on my face. I put setting spray. I'm really hoping that it lasts. I am gonna be out and about all day. I'm gonna go to a little cafe in the East Village that I have heard a ton about, and I've seen a lot about it, and I've been meaning to go, but I just haven't gone yet. So I want to go over there. It's literally almost 11. I have a lunch reservation at 12, so I'm just gonna get a little snack, a little pastry at the cafe, and a drink to start myself off. Am I upset that I am an hour behind where I wanted to be? Yes. Is there anything I can do about it now? No. So I just need to go. I also don't know what the situation is going to be like with the wind, and if it's going to be so windy that you're not going to be able to hear a word that I'm saying. I'm really praying that it isn't like that, but if it is, I'll figure something out. Let's go to the cafe and start our little date today with myself. Okay, I got my iced chai latte with oat milk. I got a cardamom bun pastry. It's like one of their most popular ones. I can't see. That place was absolute mayhem. but we made it. I think this is genuinely one of the best chai lattes I've ever had. Oh my God. Cardamom bun, very good. Okay, it's intermission. This is so much fun. This is one of my favorite shows I think I've ever seen. Like, I am having so much fun. I'm really sad that it closes tomorrow. Me trying to hide my vlog camera in my tote right now. I'm hiding you guys, I'm sorry. It's packed. I'm sitting next to the sweetest couple. I love them. Like, they're so sweet. They're like my adoptive grandparents for this show. They're so cute. God, this is just so much fun. I'm having, like, the way everyone freaked out when Hugh Jackman appeared. I love Broadway. I love New York. I think intermission is 15 minutes. I'm just gonna sit here. Like, there's no way I'm going to the bathroom because this place is packed and everybody got up to go to the bathroom. So I'm just gonna grind it out. I bought myself a water, but I don't think I'm gonna drink it because I don't want to have to pee because we still have the second half. I like don't want this to end. I'm having so much fun. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, hey, I'm at La Pecora, my favorite place, for dinner, and I know that this is a solo day, but I actually ended up inviting 5 of my friends to dinner. 5 of my closest friends. So right now I'm here with Danny and Mark. We are the first 3 here. Landon and Autumn are coming. Lily's here. Hi. You look so pretty. Autumn and Landon showed up. You guys know what we're doing.